Lesson 4.2, your turn number 1. The table shows the distance Allison drove in one day of her vacation. Is the relationship between the distance and the time a proportional relationship? So our first step here is to look at each column of the distance and the time and see if we have a constant rate here. So in our first column, it's showing us that in 1 hour, we travel 65 miles. So our miles per hour is the constant rate we want to find. So I'm going to take 65 divided by 1, which we know is 65. So that's what we're going to see. So now in column 2, we see that we've got 120 in 2 hours. And when we divide that, we get 60 miles per hour. So we don't have a constant rate here. Now we could go through and check the remaining 3 columns, but we know that in order to have a proportional relationship, all it takes is one column being different for it to not be proportional. So what I have here is enough information to conclude that this is not a proportional relationship. And there you have it, your final answer, not a proportional relationship.